Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to print a web page in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung 3-line icon na yan. Ito yung open applications menu, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay select lang natin dito yung print, and then pwede mo gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+P, and then i-click lang natin yan, and then pop up ito. So makikita mo dito sa right side yung print, and then dito sa destinations, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then nandito yung mga option settings na pwede natin i-select. Pwedeng save to PDF, fax, Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS document, OneNote desktop, and then yung OneNote for Windows 10. So, sinig lang natin dito yung Microsoft Print to PDF. And then dito naman sa kanyang orientation, so pwede kang mag-select dito kung gusto mo ng portrait or landscape. And then dito naman sa kanyang pages, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then pwede mo naman i-select dito kung all, current, add, or custom. And then dito naman sa kanyang paper size, so pwede kang mag-select dito kung anong gusto mo, paper size A3, A4, A5, executive, and other settings dito. And then next, i-click mo lang itong print. And then pop up itong see print output as. So pwede ka mag-select dito kung saan mo isi-save, and then create file name, and then click mo lang itong save. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to print a website page on Mozilla Firefox web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.